Hello students! If you are watching this video, you have reached Educanon, and I hope you enjoy your time while watching these videos. These videos will be able to show you how to do exactly everything that you need to learn by achieving your target while we are completing each lesson. So first thing we're going to do when we're talking about the computer is let's set up a folder for ourselves. So we're going to click the Finder application. So I'm going to move my mouse down here to this guy. He's called the Finder application. Let's click on him and let's click on Documents. Once we're in Documents, we're going to create a new folder that we're going to save all our work into. So what do we need to do to create this new folder? We're going to go in this white section here and right click. To right click, we're going to take two of our fingers and push them down on the trackpad. Once we do that, a pop-up box comes up and we will select New Folder. Now, this new folder, it does not have a name right now. I'm not touching any keys or clicking anything on my mouse. I am going to simply type in computers. Once I type this in, I will press enter and my computers folder is there. Now, you'll be using that folder in future lessons to save your work. So let's do that. Okay. Next, we need to go onto Safari to get to my website to review different methods of how we are going through Typing Pal and Educanon to make sure you know how to achieve things in this class. So our first thing we're going to do is go on Safari. We know this is Safari, but let's teach you something new. Up top here, we're going to use Spotlight. It looks like a magnifying glass, and if we want anything on our computer, we're just going to type it in. So I want Safari, so I know that starts with an S, A, F, and look, Safari's right there. So I can either hit enter or click on it. Now you will be using this as well to look for folders on your computer. Now, where do I need to go? Up top here in our address bar, we're going to click on it and we are going to type in rao, R-A-O, .symbaloo.com. Now, we're not clicking anything. We're not clicking where it says Google search. Instead, we are going to hit enter. Once we hit enter, we will come to my Symbaloo page. Now, for the remaining time in class, you're always going to look at what is going on for each unit. So if I say to you, your due now is to get to week 1 of Laptop Basics, you're going to click on Laptop Basics right here for 3rd grade, and you will see our Evernote page. If you get this pop-up, just hit skip. And right here, we will be able to look at our learning scale to see what exactly we are doing for Laptop Basics and what we would rate ourselves and how you would be rated throughout class. Now, multiple windows opened up. Do you see that? I have a Symbaloo still open, the Laptop Basics, and this document right here. So what I'm going to do is just switch over by clicking on Laptop Basics, and I go back to week 1 and it says, I will properly carry my laptop and identify the external parts of the computer. So that's what we were going to talk about in week 1. I will be changing that and recreating something for you, so you will see a new week 1 target when you look at this video. Next, let's go back to Symbaloo, and Symbaloo will be used for everything. When we get to word processing, we'll click on word processing unit. A new Evernote notebook will pop up and we will be able to see the word processing scale, what we do in each week. We'll be able to download the files. Everything will be able to be handled straight from this website. So let's close this out. How do we close it out? Nope, not the red X up here. I just want to close out this one page. So we're just going to hit the X here and close out that one tab or page, as we can call it sometimes. If I want you to go onto Typing Pal, you're just going to simply click on Typing Pal and log in like we've logged in last year and we'll be continuing to do this year. Also, for Simblue, we also have Educanon, which you're on now, and I directed you to click on. So once you get to Educanon, you will see that you will be logging in right into Educanon. So if I type in my username, Mike Trout, is that it for my username? Nope. Everyone has RAM at the end of their username. Then your password's the same thing as Typing Pal. And once you log in, you can click Save this password. And you'll see your class, and you're right at Educanon where you are right now. So that's it for your first video. I hope you enjoyed it. When you are finished with this video, please log on to Typing Pal and complete any activity that you would like to today. Have a great day.